Today we are going to see as World Champion versus Johto region and Kent region champion Red battle. And as team look like Pikachu, Greninja, Charizard, Infernape, Snorlax and Sceptile. And red Pokemons are Charizard X, Mewtwo, Snorlax, Venusaur, Pidgeot and Gengar. So the battle will be interesting, so like the video and we are going to start the battle. And now Ash choose Infernape for first Pokemon. And Red chooses his Pidgeot. So as Infernape uses Fire Punch. And Red ordered to Pidgeot Air Cutter. This is very impressive attack from Pidgeot. And now again Infernape uses Fire Punch and this is effective. And Pidgeot faint, and now Red chooses his second Pokemon which is Gengar. See the Infernape HP, it's going to lose the battle, and now Charizard replaces him. And Gengar uses Focus Punch is too effective. And now Charizard uses Fire Punch. And Red replaces his Pokemon Gengar to Mewtwo. And Charizard uses Fire Punch. Let's see the damage. It's good and effective. And now Red Mewtwo also attack Aura Sphere. And see the damage. It's lost. Charizard half health. And now Charizard replaces with Infernape. And now Mewtwo uses Psychic and this is the final attack and Infernape going to be fainted. And now again Charizard comebacks again as replacement of Infernape and uses Fire Blast. And this is the very effective attack and Mewtwo fainted. And now Ash have 5 Pokemon left and Red have 4 Pokemon left. And now Mega Charizard X replaces Mewtwo. And now Ash Charizard uses Fire Blast. And Red Charizard uses Dragon Rush and it's too effective and Charizard fainted. Ash uses third Pokemon as Snorlax and uses Earthquake. But Red Charizard uses Dragon Claw and is too effective. And the Snorlax lost his half health and now Snorlax uses Earthquake. And now Red Charizard going to be faint. And now Ash have 4 Pokemon left and Red have 3 Pokemon left. And now Red chooses his 4th Pokemon as Gengar and uses Wrestling Clamp and is too effective. And now Sceptile going to back and Sceptile comes into the place. And Gengar move attacked on Sceptile is too effective. And Sceptile going to use Solar Beam. And now Red Gengar uses Dark Pulse and is too effective. And see the HP of Sceptile, it's going to lose the battle and Gengar hitted Solar Beam. And also Gengar uses Void. And again Sceptile uses Solar Beam. But it's gone. And now Sceptile also fainted. And now Ash have 3 Pokemon and Red have 3 Pokemon. And now Ash chooses his Pikachu. And Gengar uses Dark Pulse and Pikachu uses Thunderbolt and their attacks are too effective on each other. And now Pikachu using Struggle. And see how it will be work on Gengar. Nothing. And now Pikachu also fainted. And now Ash have only 2 Pokemon left. And now Ash uses 5th Pokemon as Greninja and uses Water Shuriken. And Red replaces Gengar to Snorlax. And it's not too effective on Venusaur because he is a grass type Pokemon. And again Greninja going back and Snorlax come into the place. And Venusaur uses Energy Ball and it's going to lose the full battle. And now Venusaur using Solar Beam and Snorlax uses Earthquake. And Venusaur Solar Beam attacked on Snorlax and it's going to be fainted. And now as I have only one Pokemon left, which is Greninja, and last Pokemon. Let's see what happens. And again Greninja uses Water Slurkin and it's not too effective, and Venusaur uses Battle Wizard and this is too effective, and Greninja lost the battle and as 2, and Red is the champion of the battle. Thanks for watching the video. If you want rematch then comment down.